taking you guys on a field trip to my favorite garden in all of Mobile. And I've mentioned it on my social media before, and people ask me a million questions about where this place is because it's so well hidden in downtown Mobile. So I wanted to take you on a field trip today and show you this beautiful garden called Cornerstone Gardens in downtown Mobile. It's located between Hallett and George Street on Government Street. So in the heart of downtown, there's this beautiful private garden. It was built in 2016 by a family with the last name of Drinkard, and it was meant to be a place of relaxation and meditation, which is exactly what this place is. It goes super, super deep back. There's a Japanese garden, there's an English garden, there's a koi pond, so many benches and places to sit and different views all over the garden. It's just a must-see in Mobile. It reminds me so much of the pocket parks that you see in New York City, where you've got all this urban life and all of a sudden you hit this little pocket of unexpected garden and quiet. So let's travel around, take a look, just like take it all in because it's so, so beautiful. They have bee boxes, they have butterflies, they have orchids, just like anything you can imagine, every plant that you can imagine. They're all labeled so that you can learn about plants. So there's just tons of ways to interact and enjoy this garden that's right here in Mobile. So let's go take a look and see what else is back there, because unless you've seen it, you don't know. So you have to experience it yourself. All right, let's go. Cornerstone Gardens is open to the public, but it's no longer available without an appointment. So if you do want to come visit, make sure that you make an appointment. And there are so many ways that you can utilize this space. They allow photographers, engagements, anything you can think of. This is a beautiful backdrop for so many occasions and celebrations in your life. So make sure you make your appointment and make sure, even if you come back one time, keep coming back, or if you come once, make sure you're coming back through different times of the year, because it changes with every single season. And even through rainstorms and different things like that, it's different every single time you come. So you guys, please come, enjoy the space, but make sure to make an appointment first. I'm going to put the address as well as the phone number to contact, so you guys can go ahead and put it on your calendar and get out here and enjoy the space as well.